Before we start, a recap of last week's trading at Dalal Street. It was a cautiously positive week on Dalal Street. Small caps managed to post modest gains, while mid caps and frontline stocks continued to grapple with turbulence and hesitation, keeping the near-term trend uncertain. Long story short, Nifty weathered the week gone by, but the seas ahead remained rough. Now, this Monday, Gift Nifty signals a caution for Dalal Street. Our call of the day: no Christmas cheer. No New Year cheer. Dalal Street stays cautious. After a cautiously optimistic start, Nifty is likely to drift into another listless, dull and uninspiring session, as bullish traders shall choose to remain on the sidelines amid low holiday volumes and uncertain cues. The two biggest headlines. 1. Relentless foreign outflows. Persistent FII selling continues to cap any meaningful upside. 2. Lingering US-India trade frictions. Bottom line, Monday's session is expected to be marked by indecision, caution and absence of conviction. Santa may once again skip Dalal Street. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 318 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1773 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest a massive consolidation. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 9.15 levels. At last check, USD INR, December, was trading near the 89.91 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.65 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.67. Nifty outlook: Nifty may consolidate. No massive rally in sight. Nifty may struggle for direction. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 6042. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,903 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,235 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,900 and 26150. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 85041. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,701 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,738 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,400 and 85400. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 59011. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,500 and 59500. Bias for the day is neutral. Stocks in spotlight. 1. NBCC, India, plus 5.29%, 122 rupees. 30. NBCC, India, rose after the company signed an MoU with the Mumbai Port Authority for development of the CGO complex on 25 acres of port land on a turnkey deposit work basis, a meaningful addition to its project pipeline. 2. Ola Electric Mobility, plus 2.21%, 36 rupees and 13 paise. Ola Electric Mobility climbed 3.70% to 36 rupees and 68 paise after receiving a 366.78 crore rupees incentive sanction from the Ministry of Heavy Industries under the PLI Auto scheme for FY25 claims, a strong boost to cash flows and manufacturing expansion. 3. Lenskart Solutions, minus 0.85%, 448 rupees and 15 paise. Lenskart Solutions consolidated after its Singapore arm approved an investment of KRW 3 billion, 18.6 crore, to acquire 29.24% stake in Tunir Corp, strengthening its international footprint. 4. Railway stocks steal the limelight. Railway stocks rallied sharply on Friday, led by RVNL, plus 12.08%, and IRCTC, plus 3.88%, Titagarh Rail Systems, plus 5.20%, after the Railway Ministry formally notified a passenger fare hike, with the revised ticket prices coming into effect from 26 December. In a parallel move, updated fare charts have begun appearing at railway stations, reinforcing expectations of a meaningful improvement in railway revenues going forward. Adding further momentum, railway-linked stocks continue to attract strong buying interest on growing optimism around higher budgetary allocations for the sector in the upcoming Union Budget FY27, especially toward infrastructure modernization, network expansion and safety upgrades. Bottom line, the combination of near-term revenue visibility from fare hikes and long-term policy support via the union budget is strengthening the structural bullish case for railway stocks.